My old amplifier cabinet. Let's make a new one. Let's get the circuits out from it. I'm going to set this circuits into an old DVD player cabinet. This is main part, the amplifier, which gives a good output. This is a Class D amplifier. Also, I'm using an MP3 player for the other features, like Bluetooth, USB. And here, this our power supply. I'm using a 12-volt 3 ampere transformer for the amplifier, and a 5-volt DC for the MP3 player. This is our new cabinet. I turned it into matte black finish. I had placed them all in their new home. I'm not a professional in this field, so these will not have the professional touch. But working, the output be pretty good. I made some spacing in the front panel for fitting the circuits. Let's make a quick check. Is all are working well? And, finally done. How is it? Comment below. Here is the night view. The LEDs are much attractive. How is it? Comment below. Now let's check the sound test. Use your headphones for better quality. Volume for this music will be low because of copyright issues. If you liked the video, do a like and subscribe.